A very good morning to all my dear children. Open your English treasure book. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is for athletes, given on page number 37. I welcome you all to this very interesting, inspirational and short poem for athletes written by Shirley Dean Mitton. So, children, before moving to the poem, we will talk about our poet Shirley Dean Mitton. Shirley was born on 30th July 1926 and died on 19th August 2007 at Parkmore Village Healthcare Centre. Shirley was known for her paintings of the region's historical buildings. So, students, as it is very much clear from the name of our poem for athletes that the poem is about athletes or sportsman, a person who is proficient in sports and other forms of physical exercise. Now, what does this poem tell us about? This poem tells us about the issues of moral responsibility all adults need to shoulder to set the right example for children, particularly if they happen to be in the limelight. Limelight means focus of public attention. Focusing on sports people in particular, the poem issues a word of caution. Caution means to avoid mistakes to those who turn a blind eye to the fact that every act and word uttered or said by sports people makes an impact on the impressionable minds of the young who idolize them blindly. To the young minds, these icons and stars are their ultimate role models, hence developing integrity. Integrity means quality of being honest, of character is the need of the hour. So, let's start reading poem for athletes. Basically, this poem gives a message to all the sportsmen. Now here we will start reading. Many sportsmen are role models for youngsters. Yet we all have any sportsman or player as our role model. Yet we sometimes read reports of sportsmen being disqualified from sporting events for taking drugs or behaving badly. But they are also general people. They means the sportsmen. They are also the general people who can do anything wrong also. Sometimes these sports people are even disqualified from sporting events for taking drugs or behaving badly. If they are doing any such kind of activity, then we should not follow their activities. We should only admire their positive work, like the function which they are doing, but should not adopt their bad habits. Now, should not sports people behave more responsibly? So, students, what do you all think? That they have to be more responsible? I think yes. Our sports people have to take each and every step or any decision very carefully. Find out what the poet has to say on how they should conduct themselves. Now we will start reading our poem. There are little eyes upon you, and they are watching night and day. There are little ears that quickly take in every word you say. Now, here the poetess Shirley Mitton reminds athletes that thousands of youngsters treat them as their idol and dream to become like them. So, now here in the first line, there are little eyes upon you. Now here you refers to the sportsmen who are in limelight or in focus. Now here the poetess is saying to athletes that they are the idol of little fellow or youngsters. So they have to be very wise as everyone is watching them all the time. And they are watching night and day. There is a wide eye upon all sportsmen, watching them whole day and night, and people believes that they are always correct or right. Whatever they do is always correct. There are little ears that quickly youngsters or public ears are always open as they are watching you, as they are watching their heroes or role models all day and night, and they all are setting a day and an example, taking in every word you say. Now this means every day, everything, whatever the sportsman performs or does will give an impression on their followers' mind. Their followers want to be like them one day when they grow up. That's why athletes have to be very careful and very wise before saying a single word. Then, moving on to the second stanza, there are little hands all eager to do anything you do, and a little boy who's dreaming of the day he'll be like you. Now, here the poet is saying that there are little hands all eager. Here, the Shirley is saying that little hands of followers are ready to do the same actions or activities done by their role models or these sportsmen. To do anything you do, whatever action or whatever the activity, whether it is good or bad, the followers are ready to copy the same actions. And a little boy who is dreaming, the youngsters whose heart is a pure soul, who always dreams to become like you. You means the sportsman. Someday when they grow up and they try it very hard to reach their dream and follow their heroes completely without thinking about it or without thinking about it secondly of the day he'll be like you. These followers just wait for that day when they will also become like their heroes or their role models and achieve their goals.